This will be a relatively short unboxing video, as this item we have today is a simple low-profile cooler, but it's a product that comes from one of the leading brands in this particular space. This is the Noctua L9a-AM4 chromax black version CPU cooler. As you can probably tell, this specific version of the Noctua L9 is to be used for the AM4 platform or socket. The letter suffix after L9 actually pertains to the CPU company the model is for. We have this, the L9A for AMD CPUs, and there's also the L9i for Intel CPUs. I got this to be used again, as with my recent videos, for the upcoming SFF or small form factor rig that I will be building as my secondary PC. Since this isn't a highly technical or complicated product, let's just quickly go over the sides of the box and not focus too much on what is written. The only details you should take note of here is that, as indicated on the front or top of the box, the total height of this cooler and fan is 37mm, and that the specific Noctua fan included is the NF-A9X14. Opening this up, we immediately see the cooler itself, or at least the fan. But let us first check out the inclusions. We have this welcome note / installation guide. Then we have this pretty cool and solid feeling Noctua badge. With this being a Noctua product, you can expect a premium experience even with just the packaging and inclusions. They provide a tube of NT-H1 paste, which is plenty enough for a few CPU cooler installations. Then we have this extension cable here for the CPU fan. Taking out the cooler, you can see that the included fan is already mounted to it. And with this being a chromax black version, both the heatsink and fan are decked out in black, with the exception of course of the plate, instead of the usual aluminum and brown and tan that is Noctua's signature. Setting that aside, this inner carton box houses the L9A specific AM4 backplate, which I think you need to use and is not replaceable with the standard AM4 backplate due to the different sized holes. We also have 4 long screws here, which I think are extras for mounting the fan onto the heatsink. Aside from that, nothing else really. By the way, I forgot to point out that the 4 mounting screws that are used to mount the cooler onto your motherboard are these ones here secured in the foam. So that's it for this unboxing video of the Noctua L9a-AM4 chromax black version CPU cooler. If you like this video, make sure to click that like button and click that subscribe button in case you're not yet subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you in my next video.